the angle problem. I'm gonna adjust it. Okay, I'm gonna adjust, cut a bit, about 3 cm. Okay, now it's going in. Very nice. Oh no, it's not going in yet. Okay, adjust a little bit more. Okay. Looks like now it's good. Okay, now it's good. Okay, so what happened to this problem is the original, and when the filament until, let's take this out first, the whole filament went until this side is very slow and they got a lot of resistance, so filament is not going in and they pull back, keep on pulling back. So I have to adjust a lower angle or higher angle to make it go inside the filament sensor. So instead of replacing the whole tube all up to here behind, okay, this whole thing, the filament is very smooth until this part. No problem. So instead of replacing the whole tube, I just use the coupler, cut off. So this coupler join this side and this side to the nozzle. Okay, so wear and tear is this area more frequent. This side is smooth, so I don't have to replace the whole tube. In future, I just replace this part, the small PTFE. It's a good modification. Okay, and I'm going to resume. Okay, so everything is working good now.